A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, the White House has reportedly discussed the possibility of deporting migrants to Libya, igniting a firestorm of legal challenges and human rights concerns. A federal judge ruled on Wednesday that such deportations would violate a previous court order, raising significant questions about the administration's approach to immigration and the safety of non-citizens. The ruling comes in response to an emergency motion filed by lawyers representing a group of migrants who fear they are being prepared for removal to Libya or Saudi Arabia. The lawyers argued that deporting non-citizens to these countries without allowing them to raise concerns about their safety blatantly defies the court's preliminary injunctions. U.S. District Judge Brian Murphy, who issued the preliminary injunction last month, made it clear that any imminent removals to Libya or Saudi Arabia would violate his order. In his statement, Judge Murphy emphasized that the court sees no doubt that these deportations would infringe upon the rights of the migrants involved. The implications of deporting individuals to Libya are dire. The country is notorious for its human rights violations, and the U.S. State Department has warned American citizens against traveling there due to crime, terrorism, and civil unrest. The plaintiff's motion highlighted the grave risks facing migrants who could be sent to Libya, including imprisonment, torture, and even death. The lawyers presented a series of exhibits detailing the chaotic race against time as they sought to determine if any of their clients were at risk of deportation. Reports indicate that Laotian, Vietnamese, and Filipino immigrants are among those potentially facing removal. Disturbingly, some migrants were allegedly coerced into signing documents agreeing to their deportation, with reports of handcuffing to enforce compliance. The Trump administration's approach to immigration has been aggressive, with a focus on curbing illegal immigration and deporting individuals deemed to be in the country unlawfully. This latest development raises serious ethical and legal questions about the treatment of non-citizens and the administration's adherence to due process. The potential deportations to Libya follow a recent deal in which the Trump administration deported several hundred alleged gang members to El Salvador, raising concerns about the treatment of deportees in those countries. In response to inquiries about the deportations, President Trump stated he was unaware of any plans, directing reporters to the Department of Homeland Security for further information. Secretary of Homeland Security Kristi Noem also refrained from confirming any details. Meanwhile, Libya's government of national unity has publicly rejected the notion of accepting deported migrants without its consent, asserting that there is no coordination with the U.S. regarding such transfers. The situation continues to evolve, with immigration rights advocates closely monitoring developments and advocating for the rights of migrants facing potential deportation. As the legal battle unfolds, the implications for U.S. immigration policy and the treatment of non-citizens remain a contentious issue, highlighting the ongoing struggle for justice and human rights in the face of political maneuvering. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.